Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Olivelands School, home of the Eagles, the Soaring Eagles, here in Santa Paula, California. And this is part of the Briggs School District. I've been here a couple times in the past, but today we had another refocus on bullying and looking at someone's heart first. And this was to wrap up Kindness Week. So very fitting that I'm right here where it says be kind, right? On their fence and on their playground. But they have different murals and posters and just signs all over campus trying to promote more kindness, right? And like I say, though, Kindness Week, of course, is great to be kind during that week, but we have to be kind every week, right? We have to be kind every day. And that's a choice that all of us can make. And hopefully that we do make the choice, because this world needs a lot more of that. And that choice starts right in our heart, right? So today's focus again was on bullying, but looking at someone's heart first, the same way that you see your best friend, for their heart before anything else, right? And our heart's as big as our fist. But if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign. And the reason that it's two is because one finger is yourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two because in just 2 seconds, one, two, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, we can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever. Or conversely, we can say something so rude, so mean, so negative, it stays on someone's heart in a very destructive way, right? For the rest of their life. And so do we want to uplift or do we want to tear down? And hopefully as Eagles, soaring high, we definitely want to raise others up, even higher than ourselves. And we do that by showing that compassion, choosing that love, really exploring that kindness. And a lot of students came up to me too today, just touched my heart, said that they really want to be more kind. They have a big, basically message board in the cafeteria, why does kindness matter to you? And a lot of them said it's because it feels good to help someone, right? It feels good to help somebody else. And to know that even if we're going through something right now, or will go through something, or have gone through something, in the past that's hurtful, we can always get past that, turn hurt people who hurt people, a big reason why bullying happens, and to heal people who heal people. And we kind of start to do that by hopefully, going and giving aid or support to someone in need, because it feels good, and then maybe that person turns out to be a best friend. Had a lot of cases where students were getting bullied, and then now the person that was bullying them, once they found out what was really going on inside, right, they befriended them and they become best friends. Right? And so to keep our hearts open to those possibilities and know that even at a young age, all of us can make a huge difference. I think that's really the type of lesson that we're trying to instill. Understand the impact of our actions, know that everything's a choice, but also that, we have the ultimate choice, which is to rise above the hate and show kindness to others. We also can understand, hopefully, value and worth inside of ourselves, that all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I traced one of mine here, but all of us, we have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it, but we have to buy into this. There's a lot of students I speak to, they don't, adults too. And so once we understand that concept, that major life lesson, we can go and hopefully be that light to someone else's heart as well. So thanks for touching my heart. It was great meeting all of you today. Keep shining that light, keep sharing that kindness. Hope to see you all again in the future. But until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.